What's going on YouTube? It's Jordan, and today I'll be going through the process of making a YouTube banner from scratch using Canva. Canva is a great tool for YouTubers to gain graphic design experience and develop their own brand. To create a banner, you'll want to start by clicking Create a Design, and then YouTube Channel Art. The next thing you'll want to do is to go into any search engine and type in YouTube banner template, and once you find it, save it to your computer and upload it, and it should look something like this. And once you have it on your sheet, you can expand it so it covers the entire sheet. And you don't want this moving around when you're designing. It's just so you can see the area you can operate in. So you want to lock that in place by pressing the lock button. If you want a blank background to work on, you can click on Elements, and then you can type in Square. And since I have used Square recently, I'll use this. And as you see, the square blocks your view of the template when you expand it all the way. So to make sure you can see what you're doing, you can click here and decrease the transparency and drag the bar until you can see. So I'll continue to expand so it covers the entire sheet. And now that's set. If you want to use a photo to work on, you can click on Photos, and you can use any of these free ones as your background. You can also use the paid ones. If you have Canva Pro, you can unlock all of those. But if you don't have Canva Pro, I'm pretty sure you can buy an individual photo for $1, and they look much better, so I say it's worth it. And you want to add your most important information within the desktop and mobile dimensions. So I will start off by clicking text and adding a heading. You can type in your channel name or your first name or whatever you prefer. And you will want to decrease the size so it fits. You'll also might want to change the font so it looks more attractive. So there you go, you can do that. You can change the color of the text if you like. You can also put your social media handles in your channel art. It's a great way to plug all of your socials and have it on a visitor's screen without them even viewing a video. You can get the logos for all of them by going into Elements, and then you can click on Snapchat. Do the same thing for Twitter. And etc. Whatever other social media you want on here. I can add a little body of text since I want it relatively small so it doesn't take up much space. And then you can type in your handle and slide it next to there. Obviously take more time with your banner than I am, because this is just a quick tutorial showing you the basics of how to design it on Canva. Make this smaller so I don't want to be too close to that boundary so it doesn't get cut off. A common theme that I noticed while looking at popular YouTubers' channels is that they all have a picture of themselves in their banner, whether it's just their banner or their logo. And you can remove the background color if you have any. If you have Canva Pro, it looks a lot cleaner than if you use a free software, but there are plenty of free softwares out there that will do the job. I'll put my own logo here, the transparent version of it, I should say, just to fill some more space. You can also throw on a YouTube button and just to fill some more space here. And then you can type, for example, subscribe for new content every Friday as a subheading so people know when you record in your banner. It'll be one of the first things they see. and they'll know to check your channel on Friday if they don't have notifications on. And to wrap up this banner, I'm just going to change the color. This black is not in my brand color scheme. So if you were satisfied with your creation, you can go back up here and turn the transparency back up to 100. I know this is as basic of a channel art as you can possibly get, but you can download it here. Make sure it's a PNG. Click download. And then save it to your computer. So once you're done saving your channel art to your computer, you can head to your channel, click on your logo, then click on your channel. Then you can go to Customize Channel. And then you'll want to click the pen in the top right corner. Then Edit Channel Art. Select a photo from your computer. And then your channel art will appear here. You can see that it shows the displays on each of the 3 main devices. Just make sure that all of your main information fits within the boundaries and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.